Hello, welcome back to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video channel. Everyone, this is a tutorial video I want to share with us. I'm sharing this because I have a lot of my fans and followers who always ask this question of how do I do copy and paste. You may have visited an online space, generate an article, then how do you copy it so you can paste it to where you want it to be. Most times maybe you are doing an online program, whatever, and you have your referral link. How do you copy this referral link so they can give it to others? When they register under you. Or even on WhatsApp, you want to copy a particular thing and drop inside the same page somewhere else or to another person. How do we do? So let me use this particular page, one of my group pages. Let me use it to teach this. Now, why I mention almost three things, because there are different copy and pasting you have online. Let's say, for instance, you have gone online to generate something. Most of those online spaces, all you need to do if you want to copy something, for instance, watch me. You can see this in written, you can still join. I click on it like this. You see, when I click on it, it highlights. They are just highlighted. Now, but let me tell you something. There are sometimes, if it's a web page, immediately I click on this, what I did is just to use one of my fingers and press hard on this. Let me remove it again. All you need to do is press hard on this. When you press hard on this, though you are seeing all these things like all these emojis here, that is because it's WhatsApp. In some web pages, what you would have seen here is copy, move, all those options. So once you see it like this, once you see that copy, click on that copy. You have copied this work. But if this is WhatsApp now, when I do this and it highlights, remember that all these emojis is not what I'm looking for. I want to copy this. Now I will go on top of this my WhatsApp place where you have the three dots. Remember, this work have been highlighted though. If it doesn't highlight, you can't do anything like this. I go here now. Sorry, just watch me. These three dots. You see star, info, copy. I'll click on copy. I've copied it. Immediately I've copied it, you see that highlight has left. Because the system recognizes that I've done the copying, so there's no need to see having a highlight. So that's what I've copied now. If I want to paste it on this empty space, I'll still press my hand hard. Watch. Immediately I press hand hard, you see paste comes out. I click on that paste. You see that thing has been pasted. Very simple. So if I want to send it now, if I have pasted this on someone's wall, I just click on this arrow, this green arrow, to enter it, because I've just pasted, I've not yet entered it, and I click, I've entered it, it has entered. So this thing I copied here, I pasted it here. So I can see copy here and go to someone's page. Maybe I want to drop it to someone's page. I do the same thing, I just press hard like this, and the thing writes paste. I click on that paste, and the thing has pasted. If I want to remove it, it's as simple as I wipe this away again. You understand? So that's exactly how to do copy and paste. But if you are copying and pasting your link, most times, like I said, you visit your referral link, you have seen where it is, and this is the link. Now most of them, once you click on click link, instantly it copies. The system will tell you your link copy to clipboard. You don't need to do it, you don't need to be looking for copy. But some of them, you need to press it. Like in this case, now immediately I thought this has link copied. In that case, I wouldn't be looking for copy. Once I see link copy, it has already copied. All I need to do, I go to where I want to place it. I see paste. You see the link already there. Now, but what if what I want to do is I've just, when I click on this link, it doesn't say copied, but it highlights it. Once I highlight it, it's definitely going to, you're going to see the options of copy, move, all of those things. Once you see it, click on copy. Once you drop on copy, it has copied. You will not be seeing it written on your hand, but it has copied. That's technology for you. Come to where you want to paste it and press out on that place. You will see this paste option. Anytime you press on something and there's paste option, that means there's something you have already copied. And surprisingly enough, it may even be what you copied yesterday. If the last thing you copied yesterday, you didn't paste it anywhere. When you come to that and say paste, you're going to see it. So once you click on paste, that thing will drop. So this is how to do simple copy and paste. As easy as it looks, a lot of people find this difficult. But that's one thing about knowledge. Once you learn it today, you've learned it. It's just like driving. You see some people today, they can use even their legs. Driving on a high speed, wow, this is an expert driver. You see all those moto, GP, and all those sport and all that. People do some crazy things. But if you're learning driving for the first time, it's like, somebody will be looking at you. You mean you don't know how to drive? Yes, I don't know. It looks so difficult. But somebody who has learned how to do it is now saying, what is copy and paste? Is it not a simple thing? Do this. It's not as simple as that. As I'm talking to you today, there are more than 3, 4, 5 million citizens that don't know how to do copy and paste. And I think this video can be a good one for all of us. So I want to believe that if you are watching the video now and you've been asking that question of what to do, this video already has settled it. You won't ask that question again, so that when next person asks the question, you'll be the teacher to teach that person. I wish you the best. If you are new to our channel, you can see we do a lot of tutorial videos here. Do it yourself videos. We encourage you to subscribe to this channel and also give us a thumbs up on this video. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. God bless you.